What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at a brand new update that we have got for the Samsung Wallet application. This may not bring in new changes, but it does bring in the UI changes for the application. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. First, let me open the wallet and show you guys how it looks at the moment. This is the UI we have. We do not have that floating bar here. We just have two tabs here and we have got the Samsung Pass right over here at the center. When I tap on all, we have got all these tabs under my wallet, credit card details, my DigiLocker IDs, bills and recharges, Samsung Pass, etc. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the update details here and then we'll update it. Let's see how the UI looks. This is the latest version 6.6.97 and the update was received on 21st July. For some reason I got the update. It showed up today on the Galaxy Store and the size is 353.62 MB. Let me go ahead and update the application and let me quickly show you how exactly the new UI looks. Okay, now the app has been updated. Let's open it and here we go. We've got the start button here. There is a banner here which says build your wallet. Get your wallet ready with all your essentials, enable UPI payments, get reminders and more. And you can see we have got the QR scanner right over here at the bottom. And now we have got the floating bar here, the capsule on which we have got quick access button and all button with those icons here. You can also see there is one orange dot. We will check out what exactly that is. On the top, we have got a notification, add your boarding passes and keep track of your travel. Let's close that. Now let me tap on all here. This page looks more or less the same. Let me quickly show you the screenshot that I had taken before. Let me just close the privacy display here. Yeah. So this is the screenshot that I took. This is the exact same page that we have. And now on the newer version, we have got the exact same page here. Let me scroll down here. You can see promotions has got this orange dot. Probably this is a new tab. I'm not very sure. We do have promotion option here, suggestions and notices. Three tabs we have. Under suggestions, it will tell me if I have to do anything on the application. It is telling me to add the credit card, debit card details. And under promotions, we have got all these information here and we do have notices tab right over here. Now that is what this update brings in, the all new UI for Samsung Wallet application. I'm not really sure how many of you guys are using Samsung Wallet. If you are not using it, then you're losing out on a lot. You'll be able to add debit card, credit cards. You don't really have to carry your cards. You can just tap your phone in the stores to use those cards that you've added. In India, we have got something called DigiLocker IDs where you've got all the digital IDs. Like you can see, I've got my Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, vehicle ID and all that. Then we have got bills and recharge tab, Samsung Pass. This is very useful feature. You can add all your passwords here and this application, since it's protected by Knox, it is highly secured and encrypted. You can save all your passwords and pass keys. And we can do a lot more things here. As you can see, travel tickets can be added, movie events can be added. So a lot you can do. If you scroll down, you can see financial products here, gift cards, etc. And under quick access, we've got the scanner button right over here to scan any QR code. You can also scan it from the gallery, which is pretty useful. So you don't really need a different application for making payments. This provides UPI payment, card payments, everything. So everything in one place, which is fantastic. So if you haven't been using Samsung Wallet, do check it out. Start using this application. That's all I have here. Let me know if you have received this update or not. Drop a comment. While you do that, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button. If you haven't downloaded our Walrus wallpaper application, do go ahead. The link is in the description. And if you're interested in this particular case, I have posted a video about this yesterday. This is a case from Olumu, which offers some incredible, unique cases. We've got the iPhone 17 Pro Max here. You can see this is also a very unique, beautiful looking case. It's a very modern looking, tech savvy case they offer. There are many other products as well. You can go ahead and check out the link in the description for the Olumu cases. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.